Hello, let's try another Leetcode problem. So this is from the Blood 75 list. It's number 121, best time to buy and sell stock. Yeah, so this is the easiest problem in this series, best time to buy and sell stock. So basically, we are having a prices list. So inside it is the stock price. So this problem asks us to maximize the profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock. For example, we are going to buy stock on this day 2, and we are going to sell it on 3, 4, 5. We are going to sell it on day 5, so we're going to get the maximum profit of 5. So we are going to return 5. So for example, this one, no matter which day we buy, because it is always in decreasing order, we cannot make any profit, so it is a 0. So this is basically dynamic programming, but we are going to only define two variables. So one variable will be the lowest price of the stock, and another variable will the profit. So what I'm going to return is the profit. So the profit is the maximum of the future minus the lowest. So the lowest will start from the price is 0. So it is the first one. Yeah, because we are not sure in the future. So from the first one, we're going to define the lowest. It is the price is 0, the first one. And the profit is 0 because if we didn't sell any stock, we still get a profit of 0. If we can make money, we may get a profit more than 0. And then we can use the for loop for I in range. So here I'm going to start from the second day because the first day doesn't matter because I cannot buy and sell a ticket in the same day. Yeah, I cannot do that. So I have to, even I can do that. I buy a 7 and sell and sell it, and I got a profit of 7, and 7 minus 7 it's still 0, so it doesn't matter. So if it doesn't matter, I can make it even easier. So for P in stock prices, and first of all I need to check the lowest price. So the lowest should be mean lowest with this price. So for example, for the first one, 7 and 7, the lowest is still 7. After that, I can get the profit. So the profit should be the max of my profit and the current price minus the lowest. For example, the first one, 7 minus lowest 7, it's still 0. But when it goes to here, the lowest becomes 1 and the profit is still 0 because this 1 minus 1 still 0. But when it goes to 5, the lowest is still 1 because we already have the previous lowest. So in dynamic programming, this is the recording of the history lowest value. This is the future. So when it goes to 5, the lowest is 1, but the profit is this P price 5 minus 1 is 4. But when it goes to 6, so it will be 6 minus lowest 1, we will get 5. So we will record the final result profit. Because any number after 6, it is 4. It cannot be more than 5. So basically, this is the entire code. Now let me submit it to check if it works all right. Yeah, it seems okay. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. Yeah, as you can see, it can pass all the testing cases and it's pretty fast. It's like 100%. Yeah. Now let's analyze the time complexity. As we can see, there is only one for loop, and this for loop is for the whole size of the prices array. So the time complexity is O(n). Yeah, let's check the value of n. N is 10 to the power of 5. It means O(n) is okay. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problem like this. Bye.